Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wisdom and thanks so much for stopping by. So today I have a full face of Colourpop for you guys and I'm so excited to try Colourpop's makeup. I've used Colourpop in the past and I still currently do, but all the stuff that I have here is for the most part brand new or new to me makeup, so I really just wanted to go ahead and just give that a try. This is going to be a first impression slash full face of everything slash haul because I did buy a lot of things. My subtotal from Colourpop ended up being like $73. They sent me a few things with the order, but other than that I spent like $73. I believe I got like 13 things, maybe. I think maybe 13, maybe 10, I forget. But you get so much for your money and the stuff is so high quality, as you can see from my face. But if you do want to see how exactly I use everything and how I make it all come together, just make sure you keep watching this video. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the makeup, let's give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It means so much to me when you guys do that, and I need 200 subscribers like now. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into the video and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. Guys, so the first thing that I got was this precision brow pencil, and I know how these work. I love these. These are perfect for anyone who doesn't like heavy brows. Like, you like to do your brows but you don't want like heavy brows or anything like that. I've already used this like I've already purchased this one like twice already, so I already know I love it. Really skinny, so it's easy to like fill in little spaces where you don't have like really like where you have really fine hairs, because it's so skinny. It just gets into those little places like and just darkens them up. Yeah, so I forgot to buy an eyebrow gel from Colourpop, so I'm just gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's in the shade Chocolate. I'm just gonna put that on my eyebrows, and this looks good. But like I said, I've used the eyebrow pencil before, so I knew it was gonna come out good. This is how it looks. It's really cute. It fits almost about the size of my hand, or size reference. Forgive my nails, but this is what it looks like. All colors, they're really pretty. And I have a lot of pink looks on my channel, so I'm gonna focus on this shade in the middle called Soft Core. It's at the top. I'm gonna focus on the soft core and this one here at the bottom, because I really want to do like a kind of natural springish kind of look. I also bought this pigment from Colourpop, and it's the Kathleen Lights in Colourpop collection, and this one is like kind of like an orangey color-ish. Yeah, so it kind of won't tie into the look, so I'm not going to use this one, and I'll save it for a different video. But whenever I do eyeshadow looks with light colors, I always do a light concealer. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the lightest shade that they have. And if you're wondering, this is just C1. Now I look crazy with this very light. Oh my gosh, the mirror inside of here is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But yeah, so now we look crazy, but that's okay. So Colourpop, like I said, they did send me a brush. It's their E3 brush, and I'm gonna take this shade called Trove. It's this one at the bottom here, and I'm gonna just use this eyeshadow brush. It is a like a packing brush, and I've been loving to do this thing lately, packing shadow on my lid. Actually no. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack this on my lid like this. They're pigmented, but I feel like they're giving me like patchy kind of vibes, and as long as everything blends out well in the end, it should be okay. But I would like, you know, something a little bit more, I don't know, less drying. I feel like this is just very drying on the eyes. But I do have to dip into this palette like a bazillion times. This one, I'm gonna take this shade here, and I'm using a E27 brush. Now this one has a lot of fallout, and I'm gonna just put this right on top. Oh, this one is a lot more pigmented though. It kind of like overtook Trove. And then I'm going to take yet another brush, and I'm going to be using my E28 brush from Morphe. Like, this one has a lot of fallout. Look at that, you guys. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Soft Core. I'm just going to blend the edges of all of these together. I believe this palette was like maybe 12 bucks. I think it was 12 bucks. Yes, this palette was $12. So, I mean, it's not as expensive as a high-end product, but you know, so you're paying $12 for eyeshadows. You can expect fallout, and I mean, it's nothing bad. It's not like awful fallout or anything, and it's not falling out of my eyes. It's just fallout in the pan, so it's fine. Like, overall, the colors, they blend out very nicely, and I don't think I'm just in love with the color scheme just because I've been doing a lot of pink looks lately, but I can't blame that on the palette. Like, the palette doesn't know that I've been doing pink looks. So I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner, and I'm also gonna put on lashes. The lashes that I'm gonna use are Espada. I think that's how you pronounce these. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is Spanish, but I don't know. I'm gonna use these lashes. These are so cute. They're brand new. Eyeliner. I recently bought this big beauty blender. It's actually the Real Techniques ones. It's huge. I'm just gonna use my Hourglass primer. I love this stuff, and I'm going to prime my face. I am so late, but I did end up buying the Colourpop No Filter foundation, and mine is in the shade Dark 175. So basically how I found out my match, I just used my Fenty shade. I believe I'm 410 in Fenty. If I'm wrong, it'll be in the description box, but I'm pretty sure I'm 410. So you just type in your shade and they spit out the color that you're most likely. And it looks like this. The bottle is so cute compared to my hand. It fits right in there. It's only $12, but you do get 0.85 of an ounce. So this is like less than 15 milliliters, 0.15 milliliters less than standard foundation. So you do get a little bit less for $12. You have to twist it, obviously, and you know, you have to, oh, it's liquidy. So it's liquidy. So I'm actually, oh, it looks exactly like the Rihanna one. If you watched my Rihanna video, this is probably the exact same color as the Rihanna foundation. So since it is so liquidy, it's very liquidy, like just like the Rihanna one, I'm just gonna put it on my face like so, and then if I need to, I'll go back in later. On camera, this is probably coming up like my shade, but in person, it's a tad bit orange. I would say it's medium coverage right off the bat. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. Oh, I'm missing an earring. Gotta get the double check. It is a medium foundation, but as you can see, you can build it up to make it work as a full coverage if you want full coverage. I don't think it's like blurring any of my pores. Like, this definitely isn't like, I don't know, I've used other foundations and I've seen better results, like as like smoothing and things like that, but I don't believe this was, it said it was like a smoothing or anything like that, so I can't like fault it for not smoothing it out, but it would be nice if it did smooth. Like, for the most part, you probably can't see my pores from back here, but up close you can probably see my pores are really, really bad, just because I saw them in the mirror, obviously. So like I said, I did get 2 concealers. I'm gonna be using medium 36 and dark 38, both of them on my under eye here. Alright, so I'm gonna use the setting spray that they gave me to wet my beauty sponge. Even though my beauty sponge is already wet, I just like to like wet it some more. So this is the matte plus blurring facial setting spray. This is what the actual product looks like. It's like this. It's a little small. All things from Colourpop I feel like are small and cute. So I'm gonna shake it up. I'm just gonna spray this, and it wets pretty good. Ooh, it smells good too. It smells really good, actually. I'd buy it just because it smells good. Did not get a setting powder for like under your eyes, but I do have a new one that I've already showed to you guys. It's the Becca Soft Light Blurring something something, and I'm gonna use that. So this is I don't remember what the shade is, and it's not on the box, which is weird. It's the darkest one, I know that for sure. So this is the contour, what it looks like. It's really dark. I would have known it was this dark. I probably would have went lighter, but on the website it did look a little bit dark. It says that this one is a bronzer, so hopefully, oh, it's not as dark as it seems. Yeah, it's not as dark as it seems. I think it's because it's a bronzer. I feel like if this was like a real contour shade, I feel like this would be way too dark for me. But this is a bronzer, so it's nice. Oh, this is really nice, actually. Oh my god. Like, it's contouring my face for me, but it's like a nice subtle contour. It's not like too harsh, and sometimes that's what I need for like every day. I'm not mad at this at all. Okay, Colourpop, come through. $8. If you just need the compact, it's $7, but if you need like the case and the thing, it's $8. I thought when I first got this, I thought it was gonna be too dark, but it's perfect. I might have to like stop cream contouring altogether because this is so pretty. Like, jawline snatched. I have this highlight from Colourpop. It's called Luster Dust. That's the name of their highlighters. It's a loose highlight, and it reminds me of the Artist Couture highlights, but it's not Artist Couture prices. This was $8, I believe, and I only got it because it's in the shade Kiki, and you know Drake's song. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever. And it's not filled up all the way, but for this, you get a lot of product. I feel like you get quite a lot of product, I think. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna take a little on my brush, blow off some, and just put it on the high points of my cheek. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Do you guys see this? See that glow? Oh my gosh. Colourpop, you did not have to do this. Like, this is literally like the quality of Artist Couture. Like, oh my gosh. And it's a fraction of the price. Y'all better stop sleeping. That's all I gotta say. You better wake up, see the light, set the alarm clock, whatever you gotta do, but don't miss out on this one because this is so pretty. Oh my god, summertime, and you can make this like a oil. If you put like some of this in your oil, mix it up, this could be like your bronze oil, like, you know, to make your skin like glow. I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I know I said this wasn't gonna be like a dramatic look or anything, but it kind of turned dramatic because all these shades in here are very pigmented and they're true to color. So I'm just gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with the shade Softcore here in the middle, and I'm gonna put that up under my eye. Okay, so now we have something like this, and it looks really nice, but we're not done. A little bit of that on my brush, and when you put it on the brush, a lot comes out. I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. Oh god, this is beautiful. This look is really coming together. I already use these lip glosses. I couldn't even wait because this is one of my favorite color lip glosses. Like colors, like if I were to get a lipstick or a lip color, it would always be like of this shade. So when I saw it, I was like, I have to use it. So I used it already. So I'm sorry, it's not gonna be a very first impression, but I'll let you know the tea. So the lipstick that I bought is from the I Love Sahari and Colourpop collections. It's a liquid lip and it's matte, of course, and it's in the shade Sueño de Coco. I don't know what that means in English. I took so many years of Spanish. I should be like a Spanish speaker, but I do not know what that means. I know cocoa is chocolate, so, but it's, let me show you like the color. It's this really beautiful color. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite shade of matte lip gloss. Like, this is beautiful, but you know, I love this shade so much. And it's the undertones, like these peachy undertones that are really just like speaking to me. If you're like me, sometimes you'll keep a matte lip, but today I'm kind of feeling glossy. When I saw this on Colourpop's website, I was very skeptical, just because on I Love Sahari it looked really nice on her, but on the African American girl it didn't look so good. So I was like, I don't know, but it was a really pretty color, and I was just like, I have to try it. And this is what it looks like. It's this like orangey gold reflect kind of thing going on. It's really pretty, really pretty. And it's not my favorite type of applicator. It's like this like feathered one where it like moves. It's not my favorite, but it will do. I just put it right on the center of my lips. I didn't buy Colourpop's new mascaras just because they had the color ones, and I don't really want to put on color mascara. Sorry, not sorry. But so I am gonna spray my face with this, put on some mascara, and give you my final thoughts at the end. So this, you guys, is the finished look. But yeah, I really did enjoy using this, and the highlighter and the bronzer were by far my favorite. Like, if I had to pick two things that you definitely need to get from this, well, three. Well, if I had to pick three, I don't know, I would get everything. Everything's just so amazing from Colourpop. Yeah, guys, I really did enjoy this little, what is it, full face of one brand. Like, that was really nice, and it was a first impressions. So I'm really excited to do more videos like this. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.